In this section, we're going to see how to modify the chart axis scale. If I click over here, this is the chart axis, and as you can see, it goes in this case from 0 to 350, and it goes up in increments of 50. So you've got 0, 50, 100, 150, and so on and so forth. Now, if you want to format this, you just simply select it first, which I've just done, then right-click over it and click on where it says Format Axis, and this opens up this pane over here. So at the moment these are set to auto. If I want to, I can change these values. So where it says minimum, what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this one to 50. And where it says maximum, instead of 350, I'm going to change that to 300. So now the scale will look like this. So if you remember before, it started with 0 and went up to 350. Now we've got minimum and maximum highlighted, and we've got the major units going up here still in 50s. So the units here that it goes up in at the moment are defined over here. So we've got the major and the minor. If I change the major from, say, 50 to maybe 100, and if I change the minor from 10 to, say, 50, the axis will now look like this. So as I say, if you want to change these things, very, very simple. First of all, you select it, then you right click, this brings up the pane over here, and from there you can change anything you want. Again, do notice that you have got these 4 different tabs here, so you can use fill options if you want to. At the moment there's no fill. If you really wanted to, you could change that to maybe something else. So you could have the numbers here in blue with blue background or blue fill. If you wanted to make that more dramatic, possibly let's go for a red. It doesn't look very pretty, so you could try something a little bit more neutral. So we'll just sort of fade in a sort of green color. Hard to see, so let's try something a bit stronger. Maybe something like that. So as I say, you've got these 4 tabs. Go and experiment, just sort of see what's there. You've got these various effects you can add as well if you really want to. And then you've got the size and properties. You can change any of these. And again, you can change things like the direction if you want to. So you could rotate those if you really wanted to, like so. So I'd really encourage you to not just use the default chart that's created, but go and format the various things. So in this case, we right-clicked over the axis here. But any item within here, the background, one of the columns, the titles, anything you want, if you go and select it, right click, that will give you access here to the formatting information, so you can go and customize it any which way you want.